Rainbow Fruit Skewers with yogurt dip. Who wants to eat a rainbow? Ingredients: cherries, kiwi, blueberries, mango, strawberries, and a bowl of smooth yogurt. Step 1. Clean, peel, and cut the fruits with an adult supervision. Step 2. Place all the fruits of your choice in a line. Step 3. Stack them one after another, just like a rainbow. Step 4. Take a bowl of your favorite smooth yogurt with a dash of honey. Step 5. Dip into sweet honey yogurt and munch away. Love rainbow food? Hit subscribe for more magical recipes from Imaginaari Kids.